What's going on, guys? This is Phil here from smartpassivelifestyle.com. Welcome to my Commission Titan review. Now I'm here inside the members area of Commission Titan, and during this video I'm going to be giving you a full demo and walkthrough of what Commission Titan is and how you can use it to make the best out of it. So in a nutshell, Commission Titan is an info product teaching you exactly how you can run a Facebook ads towards your affiliate offer or towards your pages, whatever way you want to do. Basically, it will teach you exactly how you can run Facebook ads. So I'm going to be going into more detail inside this review video. If that sounds something that you are interested in, be sure to stick with me to the end of this very video. And I've also put together a ton of custom made bonuses for those of you that want to pick Commission Titan via the link in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that, it will take you to the source page, which looks something like this, where you can scroll down and click this orange button right here to secure yourself a copy of Commission Titan. So basically that is that. So let me just quickly show you my custom made bonuses for those of you that want to pick Commission Titan via the link in the description of this YouTube video. So my bonus number one, I'm going to be giving you this course also called Insurgency. So Insurgency is a course launched by Jono Armstrong back in April, which is it will show you exactly a breakthrough system, how you can automate penny clicks into commission like clockwork and even let you earn without even making a sale. So literally you'll be running some paid ads, but this paid ad will literally cost you sometimes less than 10 cents, usually 10 cents downward per click from AdWords. So how will that sound to you? So literally you learn exactly even the free method and the paid method. So that's Insurgency number. So this is not a bonus like PLR product out there. I'm giving you the real value to actually which deserve the best of your purchases. Even if you pick the front end of Commission Titan, which is just 10 bucks, I'm giving you this that actually worth 197 bucks. So I'm even gonna be giving you more of it. So my bonus number two, I'm gonna be giving you the lockdown formula. This is also another course launched by Jono Armstrong in May, which is May after Insurgency is lockdown formula during the lockdown period. So you learn how to quickly make money online using a simple setup system with basic squeeze pages, taking people to an offer, full traffic generation training with also included for people picking their lockdown formula can be starting to make money online in less than 24 hours. So literally they even provide you anything, guys, different ways you can make money online, how you can promote affiliate offers to particular offer, even the landing page you need if you want to run paid offers to the offer. Of course, the pages have already been done for you inside this video call. So that is actually bonus number two. Bonus number three, I'm going to be giving you also access to Lost Code, which is also a different strategy, a course teaching you different strategy on how you can drive traffic to affiliate offer. You learn how to promote high ticket affiliate offers to make more commissions, guys. So also you learn how to do AdWord campaigns, how you can do Bing campaign, also some email marketing and stuff. So that is the Lost Code. Then bonus number four, I'm going to be giving you access to Fuego Breakout, which is also a course by Jono Armstrong and Brandon Mess that was launched last year. So you learn exactly how you can leverage Instagram influencers to actually help you send traffic to your affiliate offer. So in this bonus you will learn exactly how to make money by promoting anything using Instagram, how to collect those Instagram lead and remarket them in the to make more money in the from your future promotion, of course, guys. So that is Fuego Breakout. Bonus number five, I'm going to be giving you access to Fuego Multiplier. This one also has to do with AdWord by retargeting campaigns. What I mean by retargeting, this is what I just mentioned. Any people, you will have your pixel, your Google Pixel search in a particular sales page of a vendor, your video. So those video, whenever visitors, and you can imagine for a particular launch there are tens of thousands of people actually visiting sales page, because there are hundreds of affiliates that are sending people to the source page. So imagine if you can get a whole bunch of those traffic that you can retarget using the Fuego Multiplier method. So that is bonus number five, guys. I know you are getting much more than your purchase, guys. So don't forget to actually give this video a like, because I've known I've delivered enough with this course, of course. So bonus number 6, I'm going to be giving you access on how you can learn how to build a Squarespace page. And also, if you have a WordPress website, I'm giving you a premium plugin called Instant Builder 2.0. Go and search for it on YouTube or on Google. This one is a paid tool, so I'm going to be giving you to 100% for free. If you want to learn how to make a Squarespace pages yourself, or done for you inside this Instant Builder plugin. That is that. Bonus number 7, I'm going to be giving you access to also this one course, leveraging email marketing. When I mean by email, that's why I'm actually giving you the Squarespace pages, how you can learn how to do it. This one, they teach you exactly how you can run email marketing using a free traffic from Facebook and also some paid traffic from solo ads. So literally everything step by step has been taught. This also launched by Jono Armstrong and one guy called Eric Kagi. So that is bonus number 7. Bonus number 8, I'm going to be giving you access to all the bonuses the vendor gave to me to give to you. So that is actually 8 bonuses, guys. I know these bonuses are even way much more than your purchase, guys, but don't forget, if you want to pick it off, click the link in the description of this YouTube video, which will take you to the source page, which looks something like this, where you can scroll down and click this yellow button right here. So now we are now inside. Let's go back to the members area. So inside the members area, as you can see, this is the vendor himself. If you scroll down, this is the vendor himself. He was called Arfan. So he is a welcome video by him, first of all. So here is the kind of webinar stuff you don't need to bother yourself about. This is actually the main course structure. So the course actually will teach you, in the first part, it will teach you 19-minute video how you can create an account and how you can set up your business manager account. Literally 19 minutes of tutorial there. Then video number 2, which is almost about 20 minutes, teaching you an overview of what Facebook ads is all about. So I said bonus. Video number 3 is going to show you exactly how you can create a Facebook ad campaign, which is 30-minute video, guys. Then sorry guys, I'm saying bonus. Video number 4 is going to be showing you exactly how you can create a Facebook ad inside and some optimization stuff, because whenever you start setting or running ad, it's always good to be keeping track of your ad and also optimizing the things that are getting you clicks, that are getting you conversion. Those that are not converting, you kill it, you remove it. So this is going to teach you exactly how you can do this thing, which is a 10-minute tutorial video. So as you can see, if you sum it up, this around 1 hour 19-minute video course. But if you want to pick the upgrade, which he will show you exactly more advanced stuff, I definitely highly recommend. But if you are just starting out, it's always good to learn the basics. You can learn the basics. If you think it's something that worth it, then you can actually invest in his upsell in the future. So that is actually that about the course. Like I said, it's an info course. It's a video step-by-step teaching you that. Then let's go back to the source page. It says, tired of hearing so many lies from fake gurus? You will be shocked on how to earn $500 per day in 100% passive income online. I decided to reveal my secret. No trolling social media, having your own product or blogging. So it's a step-by-step strategy, huge earning, huge profit, earning quickly with no tax credit. Build your online empire to feed your bank daily. No dependence on the economy. Absolutely newbie friendly and tech savvy. So profit machine. You build it 365 clockwise money making. But this 500 I would say is not possible if you are just starting out, because he's actually an advanced guy. He knows the in and out of Facebook ads. But at least $50 to $100 a day will be possible for you if you are just starting out. But 500, I'm actually disagreed with this figure right here. So I won't be lying to you guys. So this is the launch of a discount. You get 85% off, so that's why you actually need to act fast, of course. So this is what all the source page is all about, but you can pretty much read it during your if you visit the source page by clicking the link in the description of this YouTube video. You can read more about it, what it is, how you can make the best out of it, some testimonial from other people as well. So that is actually my review walkthrough demo on Commission Titan. If that sounds something that you are interested in and you want to pick along all my these bonuses: insurgency, the lockdown formula, the lost code, the Fuego breakout, the Fuego multiplier, and how you can build a squeeze page, and giving you also the premium plugin Insta Builder 2.0, then also the secret weapon, and along with all the bonuses the vendor gives to me to actually give to you. So that is actually that about my Commission Titan review. So walkthrough demo, and of course the the prices for the front end is just $10, guys, and with $10 you are getting all of my bonuses, guys. So see you in my next review video. Bye bye.